In this video, we will learn about the split of summation into different parts so that we can solve it. If your polynomial is of this form, right? In this polynomial, in some degree, here it is in the degree of cube, or it will be in the other form of degree of square started from. So whatever the form, we will first of all split it into small parts like that. This summation will apply with this, plus this summation will apply with this, then this summation apply here, plus this summation apply here. So the coefficient, first of all, we will write at the start. When the summation apply on the first part, ar cube, it will take the form, we will write a first and then summation r cube, right? And in next step plus b, first of all we write the coefficient and then we write summation of r square, then we will write the coefficient c and this will multiply by summation of r. And when is the constant, this will apply, we will write d first of all and the summation will apply on 1, right? So first of all, whatever the expression we have given, we will divide this or split this expression like that. After that, we know the formulas of summation of r cube and summation of r square, summation of r, summation of 1. We know these formulas, then we can easily apply the formulas here. And then in the next step, we just simplify them, multiply them, whatever we will find out, simplify them, and then we can easily get the solution. Here we have given an example. In our example, they ask us show that this summation r cube r plus 3 into r plus 1 is equal to this value. They have asked us this is equal to this. So when we have to do the show that questions, what we will do, we will take the left hand side and we will simplify it, solve it, and then at the end we will prove that this left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? So we will do this step. First of all, we will take left hand side, and left hand side is this one. We will expand the brackets, multiply them, both of them. After multiplication, we will do simplification, and when we have done simplification, now in this case we will split this expression as we have done earlier, right, which I have told you in the start. So I am going to split this expression of summation right here. There is no there is one coefficient here, so we will not write here 1, and we will write summation r square. Next step, we will write the coefficient 2 first, and then we will do summation r here. And the next step, we will write minus 3 first of all, and then write the summation of 1, because minus 3 is multiplied by 1. Now we have three formulas: summation of r square, summation of r, summation of 1, right? So you have to memorize these formulas. What is the summation of 1 when r is equal to 1 to n, it is n? What is the summation of r when r is equal to 1 to n? This is the formula, we have to memorize it, 1 by 2 n into n plus 1. And what is the summation of r is equal to 1 to n? R square, square of the series, then its answer is 1 by 6 n into n plus 1, right, into 2n plus 1. And what is the summation of series of r cube? Its formula is 1 by 4 n square into n plus 1 whole square. So we have to memorize these formulas first of all to do the solution of these type of questions. Now in this case, what I will do, I will apply the formula of summation of r square, which is here, I put it here, then plus 2, and I apply the formula of summation of r, which is 1 by 2 n into n plus 1, and then in next step minus 3, summation r is equal to 1 to n for 1, its answer is n. right? I have applied here. After doing this 2 and this 2 will cancel each other. I have done this in this step. Next step, we will take the 1 by 6 as common. Why we have take 1 by 6 as common? Because on the right hand side we have 1 by 6, right? There are other ways to simplify it, but we have to look at the right hand side what they want to show that. So here 1 over 6n, it is already we have to show in our answer. So what I will do, I will take 1 by 6 and common from these terms. This is first term, second term and third term, and you will check in these three terms 1 by 6 we have to take common, as we have to show this one, and from three terms we can see n is common, so I will take n as common. In the first term we have left this one. In the second term we have left 6 will multiply by this, because 6 is here 1 by 6, but if I will take common from these two, then 6 will multiply by here 6 n plus 1, and here 6 will multiply, it will give you minus 18. Now we will simplify them. Multiply these two brackets, you will get this one. 6 will multiply inside and minus 18. After that you will add the like terms. You can see the like terms of 2n square, it's a long term, but n terms they will be added, and then constant will be added. What are the constant? This is 1, 6 and minus 18, they will give you minus 11. Now we will make the possible factors, and possible factors of we will use this formula. Multiply the coefficient of n square with the coefficient constant, it will give me 22. I will find the possible factors of 22, and I will take that one factor when I will subtract, or because in this case we have to do subtraction because here is the sign of minus, right? So I will take those factors. When I will subtract them, I will get the answer 9 here. So 11 times 2 is 22, and 11 and 2 it's one factor. 11 take away 2 will give you 9, so I will take that factor. Now I will arrange this in this way that there will be two pairs, and further from two pairs we will take something common. So from this pair we will take 2n common, and from this pair we will take 11 common, and further you will see that n minus 1 is common from these two terms, so I take it common, and I have left 2n plus 1 in the next term, and we have left 2n plus 1, 2n plus 11, right? So when we will go to our question where it asks us show that 1 by 6 n into n minus 1 a n plus b form, find the value of a and b. So in place of a I have got 2, and in place of b I have got 11. So the value of a will be 2 and the value of b will be 11. So this is the solution of our question, and we have to find the value of a and b, right? It's a very simple and easy way. Just you have to memorize these 4 formulas in the summation of series. Whenever we will use the summation of series in our question, first of all keep in mind that we should memorize these 4 formulas, and then we will expand our brackets whatever they have given us, and we will get the form of this, and then split up in the summation form as we have discussed earlier. This split summation into bits, right? And then after putting the values of required r square, r or whatever is the demand of the question, then you will just simplify them and you will get your answer question easily. Hopefully you will understand and enjoy this solution.